Happy Monday, first graders. Today is May the 17th. Are you having a good Monday so far? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yeah, me too. It's about to get even better because we've got social studies to do. What do you think we're working on today? We will identify decisions that families have to make with money. You got some money? Don't worry, you won't need some today, but you will need to make some decisions with me. How? We will research making choices on Pebble Go to complete 3 questions to explain our choices. Are you good at making choices? Say that with me, please. Choices. Here, make a choice. If you had to pick a pen to use today, would you choose the zebra or would you choose the donut? Raise your hand for zebra. Raise your hand for donut. I'd choose the donut too. Now, some people are good at making choices, but we all have to make them. Today, we will make some. How many are you going to make? 3. Why? We will understand different ways that families make decisions. Decisions is another word to say choices. Say decisions, please. Decisions. You're going to make 3 decisions today. Let's get on to Pebble Go and research. How do people make choices? You got to make how many today? Thank you for listening. Ooh, look at that girl. That looks like a hard choice. Have you ever been at a store looking at food and couldn't make a decision? I do that sometimes. Let's learn how to make better choices. Ears on? Eyes on your screen? Here we go.
People spend money on many things. They buy food to eat and clothing to wear. They buy movies to watch and video games to play. How people choose to spend money depends on their needs and wants.
So many things to spend money on right here on this first slide. On food, on clothes, on movies, and on video games. Think of those 4 things. If you could only get one, what would you choose? Food, clothes, movies, or video games? Got your decision? Raise your hand if you choose food. Those donuts look yummy. Raise your hand if you choose clothes. I like that new jacket. Raise your hand if you choose movies. Raise your hand if you choose video games. I see lots of hands for that one. But you can only choose one. Sometimes it can be hard. We have needs and we have wants. Let's start with our needs.
Needs. Needs are things people must have to survive. Everyone needs to eat food and wear clothes. People also need a safe place to live.
We need those things first. You have to have clothes. You can't come to school naked. You have to have food, or you won't have energy to get your work done. And you need a safe place to live. So you should spend your money, make those choices first, because you need them to survive. Remember that word, survive? Say it with me, please. Survive.
Survive. To stay alive.
You better buy those first to stay alive. Make good choices. Needs first. Then,
Wants. Wants are things people can live without. Many people like to have TVs, books, and cell phones, but they don't need these things to survive. All of these things are wants.
we already reviewed the word survive. Now, we don't need the TV to survive. We don't have to have books to survive. And cell phones. We could live without them. Coffee? Could I live without coffee? I could. I might be a grouchy ladybug, but I could live without my coffee. These are our wants. See him playing games on the phone? That's a want. So if you have to make a choice between your needs and your wants, what should you choose first? Raise your hand for needs. Raise your hand for wants. Needs. You need them to survive. Choose your needs first. Then, if you have extra, you can buy a want. But
Difficult
it
choices.
can be hard.
Deciding how to spend money can be hard. People should always spend their money on things they need first. Once their needs are met, people may decide to buy some of the things they want.
Look at this boy. You see it on his face. Is it easy to make decisions? No, it can be hard deciding.
Decide. To make up your mind about something.
You can't see it in his head, but he's deciding in there, and it's difficult. He has to spend his money.
Spend. To use money to buy things.
We've been talking about buying these goods. He's deciding how to spend the money, but he should get his needs first. Does he need the video game? But if he already has his food, he already has his clothes, he already has his safe place, if he has extra money, he could buy one of his wants, but he can't buy them both, so now he has to decide. Have you ever had this problem at a store and you couldn't decide? It can be hard.
Saving money.
Or you could save your money.
Sometimes people choose to save their money instead of spending it. Saving money helps people buy things they will need and want later. Saving money is a good choice.
That's a good thing. Look at this photo. What do you see this girl doing? Have you ever seen a little pig like that? Not the pig you're eating in your bacon. The pig that holds your coins. You got a piggy bank? Yeah, me too. This is a safe place to save your money. Is she
Pebble
spending
Go.
it? Mm-mm. She's putting it somewhere safe and not using it, not buying. She's saving because maybe someday soon she's going to need a bigger jacket, or she will need some bigger shoes, or she will need some food. But right now she says, I'm good, I can save it, and I'll come back to it later when I need something. Or maybe she's saving up to buy something big and special. You don't have to spend your money as soon as you get it. You can save it also. Let's go to our video. Ooh, what do you see here? What do you think she's shopping for? I like books. Now, can you survive without books? Yes or no? Yes, you can. But they are pretty cool. Are books goods or services? Goods. You got it. You touch them and you use them. But you can live without them. Let's look at what she's going to do here at this bookstore. Touching. Are those toys? All right, I got a question. If you were at this store right now and you had $5 in your hand, what would you do? Option 1, buy a book. Option 2, buy a toy. Option 3, buy nothing and save your money. Well, think about it, make a decision in your head. And let me see your choices. 1, show me a 1 if you buy a book. A 2, if you buy a toy. A 3, if you buy nothing and you save. I'm looking for your fingers. 1, 2, 3. I love books. I would buy a book. Anyone else buy a book? Okay, who would buy a toy? Or who would save? They're all choices. They can all be good, but you have to think of what are your needs and what are your wants. And now, we've got to go make
Pebble
3
Go.
choices in our slides. You will not need your journal. You will not need your pencil. You will not need your crayons. All you need is your tablet. First, let's review some vocabulary. Buy. Everybody say that word, please. Buy. You're going to buy 3 things today. Get your money ready to get your goods. You will buy them. Scarcity. Say that with me, please. Scarcity. Our money is scarce. There's not enough of it. So we have to make choices. Now that we reviewed our words, we have how many choices to make? 3. Come on and meet me on video too. I got my tablet to show you what to do. See you soon.